Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Andy Rocks, and in this video I'm going to talk about why I bought Yamaha FZS V3 over other bikes. So tell me, who buys a bike? People who buys bike, we can just divide them into two categories. One is people with need and number two is people with demand. So the need category, we can divide them into another two sections. One is extremely need and one is daily need. So people who are in the extremely need, so extremely need are who use their bike for their living, and for the daily need is people who don't have car, who don't have bicycle, and they just need to go somewhere for their daily purpose, but they don't have it. Whatever. So I'm in the daily need category, guys. So bike is really handy for me. I don't have car, I don't have bicycle, so I need to flick around the city and need to go somewhere. So this is a daily need purpose. So now let's talk about which things I wanted to have in my bike and what was my price point to pay and what I wanted to have in my bike. So my price point was 1.5 lakh, and I didn't want any racing bikes or bikes which has racing postures. I mean, if I buy a bike, my father also rides bike and my father is growing older day by day, and I am age 26, and if I really take care of my bike, I don't think that I will change my bike in next 5 or 7 years. Naked bikes or cruiser bikes are more comfortable comparing with racing bikes if you let your father ride for a long time, because when I was in college I always wanted a bike which has a racing posture, but now time changed and I don't know why my choice changed. But right now I really don't want to buy a bike which has a racing posture. That's why no racing bike, guys. And what are the basic needs that I wanted in my bike is quality product, a good mileage, a looks, or you can say style as well, and good handling. So these were the basic things that I wanted in my bike. In this category you can find different bikes like Royal Enfield, FZ25, MT15, Honda's Hornet, and Suzuki Gixxer. Yeah, there are other bikes as well like TVS Apache, Heroes, CVZ I think, or Bajaj Pulsar. Yeah, those bikes are really good as well, but I wanted a bike which has a wide tire, wide rear tire, wide front tire. So I didn't go for those brands. So mainly I had these 5 options: Royal Enfield, FZ25, MT15, Honda Hornet, and Suzuki Gixxer. Like, I had to choose from them. And another one is FZS V3. So why I chose FZS V3 over these bikes is the single piece unit of seat, which is a really comfortable seat, man. Really comfortable for both of you and your pillion. I mean, if you let your mother sit, she will have no problem sitting on your rear seat. Or if you carry 3%, maybe you three friends, you want to go somewhere. I know it's not a good thing to ride 3 people on the same bike, but man, at the end of the day it's India, and sometime you have to do it. I mean, I didn't have any plans to let 3% sit on my bike, but even I don't like as well, because it hurts. If you press your brake, then you're really gonna destroy your balls. So whatever, that wasn't the main focus to buy a bike for me, but I'm just telling you, you can let 3 people sit on your bike. But talking about the other bikes like MT15, you cannot. Even why I didn't buy MT15 is MT15's rear seat is really small, man. Really small. I mean, if you don't trust me, just go to the showroom and bring your mother with you. Just get on the bike and let your mother sit on your pillion seat. Then you will understand, man. Trust me. Then you will understand. And there is no grab rail after the seat. It's under the seat. So that's really a bad point. I mean, I brought my mother to the showroom and she really couldn't sit on the bike. I mean, and I don't think she can manage it. And if I buy a bike and I don't let my mother ride on my bike, really I shouldn't buy a bike, man. Really, I have an old man and an old lady who is working for me and who is growing me up, and I'm not letting them sit on my bike. It's a really bad thing. I mean, it's a different feeling for different person. I mean, I feel like this way. It doesn't have to match with your feelings. Maybe you feel something different. Maybe you want something different from your life, from your bike. but I wanted this thing, so that's why I didn't buy a bike which I can't let my mom sit. That's why FZS has attracted me a lot. And another thing is the mileage. I'm getting 45, over 45 plus mileage. If you do urban riding, that's not 45, maybe a bit less you will get, but if you do normal regular riding, you will definitely get over 45 when your bike is new. And talking about looks, I really love the muscular look. Another thing, the last thing is the good handling. That's why all the FZ version called a lot of the streets, because it has a really excellent handling, man. Just give it a try once, you'll definitely know. I mean, this bike has no vibration at all. This bike doesn't have a top speed, good top speed. Maybe 120 or 125 you will reach, but in 125 you will feel zero vibration, and in 25 you will feel zero vibration as well. This is how refined the engine is. Yamaha has done really excellent job working on this bike. So I would really recommend all of you who has a need like me, who wants to buy a bike for daily life. So whatever guys, so mainly that's the basic thing. So let me just repeat it again. I considered it as a quality product. It's really have a good quality, Yamaha quality, and really good mileage, looks or style, good handling, and braking system is good as well, excellent comfort, white tires for better cornering, and that's all guys. So mainly that's why I bought the FZS V3 over other bikes. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section guys, which bike you think you should buy. And I will just tell you one thing, you're buying this bike at least for 5 years, right? So take your decision, think about it. And I'm not telling you to buy FZS V3, but try to think which categories are matching your needs, which things fulfilling your needs. Go for that one. All of these bikes are really good, but not other bikes fulfilled my desires. So just think about it and plan it before you buy it, rather than you buy it then you regret it. So take your decision, take your time and think about it. And whatever bike you buy, love him, because it's not just a bike, it's emotion. So that's it guys, see you in my next video and keep rocking.